Hey, beautiful people. It's Jenna, and I'm so excited to share my fat loss journey with you. Are you tired of trying diet after diet and seeing no results? Trust me, I've been there. That's why I decided to ditch the restrictive diets and focus on building sustainable, healthy habits instead. These 10 simple habits helped me burn fat, lose inches, and feel confident in my body, without giving up my favorite foods or spending hours in the gym. So, if you're ready to make a real change, stick around, because I'm about to share all my secrets. Alright, let's kick off with the very first thing I do every single morning, drinking a tall glass of water. And I mean right after waking up, even before I check my phone. Think of it as a refreshing wake-up call for your entire system. Not only does it instantly rehydrate your body after hours of sleep, but it also kickstarts your metabolism and gets things moving. Plus, it helps curb those pesky morning cravings. You know those times when you wake up thinking you're starving? It might just be thirst disguised as hunger. So, before you reach for that sugary coffee or pastry, chug down a glass of water and see the difference. Trust me, your body will thank you for it. Now let's talk about breakfast. The most important meal of the day, right? But seriously, what you eat for breakfast can set the tone for your entire day. That's why I always make sure to pack in a good dose of protein. Whether it's scrambled eggs, a bowl of Greek yogurt with berries, or a quick protein smoothie, starting my day with protein keeps me feeling full and satisfied for hours. And we all know what that means. Less snacking before lunch. Plus, protein plays a key role in supporting fat loss and building lean muscle mass. So, ditch the sugary cereals and embrace the power of protein. Your body will thank you later. Now, I know what you might be thinking, Chloe. You're all about those intense workouts. And you're right, I am. But you don't need to be hitting the gym for hours on end to see results. In fact, one of the simplest yet most effective habits I've incorporated is moving every single hour. That's right, every hour. Whether it's a quick 2-minute stretch break from work, a brisk walk around the office, or even just standing up to fold laundry, these small movements throughout the day really add up. You'd be surprised how many more calories you can burn by simply avoiding prolonged sitting. So, set a timer on your phone, put on your favorite playlist, and get moving. Chapter 4. Okay, let's be real for a second. Those sugary drinks, they're sneaky little calorie bombs. Think about it. Sodas, juices, fancy coffee drinks. They're loaded with sugar and empty calories that can sabotage your progress without you even realizing it. That's why I made a conscious decision to ditch the liquid calories and stick to healthier alternatives. Water is my go-to, of course. It's calorie-free, hydrating, and does wonders for your body. But I also enjoy herbal teas and plain black coffee. No sugar, no cream, just pure flavor. Trust me, once you break free from the sugary drink cycle, you'll feel so much better, both physically and mentally. Chapter 5. Let's face it, life can get crazy busy, and when you're short on time, it's easy to reach for quick, unhealthy options. That's where my secret weapon comes in. Meal prepping. Every Sunday, I dedicate a couple of hours to prepping my meals for the week ahead. I'll cook up a big batch of protein, chop veggies, and portion out healthy snacks. This way, when hunger strikes, I'm prepared with nutritious options. No more last-minute unhealthy choices or takeout temptations. Plus, meal prepping saves so much time and reduces stress during the week. Give it a try and see how much easier it makes healthy eating. Chapter 6. Now, this habit has been a game changer for me. It's not about restricting what I eat, but rather when I eat. I aim to finish my last meal by 8 p.m. and then fast until breakfast the next day. This simple form of intermittent fasting has done wonders for my digestion, sleep quality, and even my weight loss journey. Giving your body a break from digesting food overnight allows it to focus on other important functions like repair and recovery. Plus, it helps regulate your hunger hormones and can reduce late-night cravings. It might sound challenging at first, but trust me, the benefits are worth it. Now, I'm not a fan of obsessing over every single calorie, but I've found that tracking my food intake a couple of times a week helps me stay accountable and aware of what I'm consuming. It's not about being restrictive, but rather about being mindful. I use a simple app on my phone to log my meals. Nothing fancy. This way, I can identify any potential areas where I might be overeating or not getting enough of certain nutrients. It's like having a little accountability buddy in my pocket. Chapter 8. De-stress your way to weight loss. Here's a secret that often gets overlooked when it comes to weight loss stress management. When you're constantly stressed, your body produces cortisol, the stress hormone, which can actually lead to weight gain, especially around the belly area. That's why it's crucial to incorporate daily de-stress techniques into your routine. Whether it's 5 minutes of deep breathing exercises, 10 minutes of gentle stretching, or even just listening to calming music, finding ways to unwind and de-stress can have a significant impact on your overall well-being, including your weight. Chapter 9. Sleep your way to a healthier you. I cannot emphasize enough how important sleep is for your overall health and weight loss goals. When you don't get enough sleep, your body produces more of the hunger hormone ghrelin and less of the satiety hormone leptin, making you feel hungrier and more likely to overeat. Plus, lack of sleep can disrupt your metabolism and make it harder to burn fat. So make sure you're getting those 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep every night. Your body will thank you. Chapter 10. Focus on what you can add, not restrict. This last habit is all about shifting your mindset. Instead of focusing on all the foods you can't or shouldn't eat, try focusing on adding more healthy, nutrient-rich foods to your diet. Think about it. More veggies, more fruits, more water, more whole grains. By crowding out the processed foods and sugary drinks with nutritious alternatives, you'll naturally start to crave healthier options. It's not about deprivation, but rather about nourishing your body with the good stuff. Your turn to transform. So there you have it, my 10 fat-burning habits that transformed my body and my life. Remember, it's not about being perfect. It's about making small, sustainable changes that you can stick to long-term. Which of these habits are you already doing, or excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video and want to see more fitness and wellness hacks, hit that like button and subscribe to Healthy Hacks Daily. Until next time, stay healthy and keep shining.